Hello,
我是
I
赵
am
爽。
Chuang. Let's draw a great white shark, a well-known shark species. When talking about sharks, the image emerging in our mind is most likely this ferocious look. It has a sturdy body with a large mouth, a pointed nose, and a triangular dorsal fin on its back. Besides these basic elements, we should also note its other features. As a fish, sharks are typically equipped with several sets of fins, 2 dorsal fins, including the iconic first dorsal fin, and a tiny secondary dorsal fin located further rearward, a pair of pectoral fins, and a pair of pelvic fins. Actually, we humans can trace our ancestry back to a certain fish that lived about 300 million years ago and evolved its fins into limbs. Knowing this will help us to understand these structures in fish. Its pectoral fins are equivalent to our arms, and its pelvic fins to our legs, both in pairs. Sharks also have an anal fin and a tail. When drawing, we should note that the shark's tail differs from other fishes, which is not crescent-shaped but unequal-lobed, called a heterocercal tail. Generally, sharks have heterocercal caudal fins, meaning the upper lobe is longer than the ventral lobe. The two lobes are asymmetrical. The great white shark has a broad trunk, so we should try to present its roundness. Its eyes are located pretty forward. If we depict its eyes slightly further back, its appearance would not comply with its demeanor. Behind its eyes and close to its pectoral fins are located several gill slits, which is also an essential feature of sharks. Now, let's get started. First, draw the outline of its back. Its back is an arc like this. Leave a notch here first. Behind this position will be the first dorsal fin. What comes after is its tail. Extending upward is its upper lobe, which is relatively long. There is a notch here, followed by the lower lobe. Then, we move to draw its nose, which is quite pointed. Here is its mouth in a crescent shape. Extend the line backward to form its lower jaw. Then, we draw its pectoral fins. The pectoral fin on the other side. Draw its belly backward, connecting the rear part to the tail. Next, let's draw the paired pelvic fins behind the pectoral fins, followed by the anal fin. Then, we draw the huge first dorsal fin on top, then the second dorsal fin. Now, we come to its mouth. Add the mouth corner here. Its upper jaw seems to cover part of its lower jaw. Then, let's draw its gill slits. The great white shark generally has 5 gill slits located at the front of each pectoral fin. Then, we draw one eye here, which should be close to the anterior of the mouth. Now, let's draw its teeth. The great white shark has several rows of teeth, but we only need to show one row in this drawing. Then, draw its nostril. On the side of its body, we draw the color boundary between its back and abdomen. Draw this line naturally, like the borders on a map, and try to make it as zigzag as possible. The great white shark has a dark dorsal area and a light underside. It gets its name from its white-colored abdomen, not because its whole body is white. Good. Like this, we've finished drawing this great white shark.